Krishna on a cracker. Yeah, we live in an information age. But why are we so frustrated with the information that we are receiving? This is Laura Foster with Souls Healing Humanity, and I want to share with you a possible reason why you're so frustrated. If you take the word information and break it apart, it is designed to keep you in formation. Get you to think, Yeah. Keeping you in formation, in your box, in your lane. Baby, that's just evidence of the human programming and conditioning that we have all been under. But there's a way out. Link is in the bio. The Fed Up Not Fucked Up online course will bust that myth of the information age, keeping you in formation. We are actually shifting from the information age to the inspiration age. Inspire in spirit, in breath. Coming into your own spirit, soul, intuition, true self. I don't care what you call it. It doesn't matter to me. But it is underneath all that programming. And there are lots of different ways to shed your bullshit human programming. But I actually have been gifted from the universe something called Holistic Scaffolding. It has 6 platforms. And the tools, ancient wisdom from our ancestors, I call them wisdom wands. I've packaged it together for you to supersize, to speed up, to accelerate your journey. Now, I want to share with you, I was frustrated too with that information age, that information. You know what? It's really intentional. Now, we could have a great discussion about, who's the they that's intention. I don't know. Okay. I don't fucking have all the answers, but I know I got sick of my own bullshit and the tons of information out there. What to eat? Should you eat carbs? No carbs. Lots of protein? No protein. Sugar? No sugar. What medication should you take? What should you be putting on your face? What should you be putting in your mouth? How should you be thinking? What political party? What should you believe? What religion? It's information overload, and I got fucking sick of it. And some of you are out there, you're just as sick as I used to be of all the information. And that's the frustration you're feeling. But baby, I have a way out for you. I have a way to your freedom. I have a path. I've walked this path myself. Again, I don't have all the answers. I'm not your next fucking guru. But the holistic scaffolding, the wisdom wands that's completely taught and fed up, not fucked up, it can bring you your freedom. Where you're going to move from information to inspiration. You're going to be able to tune into your true self, your in spirit, and create that life that you absolutely love. It's designed for you, by you, not by someone else. I know some of you out there are hearing me. I have to be honest, sometimes I feel like I am just kind of talking to a wall. But that's part of my path. Until next time, I love all you people.